Alright, welcome and welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so today we are continuing our current affairs questions and answers. Alright, so we're continuing today. Okay, so if you have been going through the previous ones I dropped, please continue going through all of them. I'm not saying you should go and memorize it, right? Continue going through them, right? Learn them, study them, and have them stored in your head. Okay, so it will definitely help you in your exams. Okay, so I'm coming up with other subjects. So if you want me to be doing it, I post current affairs, I post other subjects too. Also let me know in the comment section. But if you want me to continue be doing it, for me to be doing it serially, current affairs, we'll finish up with current affairs. Then next subject we'll go with the next subject and finish it up. Next subject we'll go with the next subject and finish it up, because we need to do this and to ensure that everybody out there that is going to write post-utme will definitely have to benefit from this, because the exam is coming up soon. All right, so the exam is coming up soon. Just like some school will be starting on the 19th. Schools like University of Calabar is starting on the 19th of this month. Okay, so they don't have much time again left. So and the only way I'll be more triggered to do more of this video is if you leave me a like and tell me thank you on the comment section. All right, so that's the only way I'll be more triggered. And also if you share the content as well to your friends that are actually aspiring for any university. This university does not mean these questions is not for a particular set of universities. It's generally, all right, as long as you are a post-utme candidate and you are any university that writes post-utme aspirant. Okay, you know this is very, very important. Okay, so that's the only way you can trigger me more, because I have a whole lot of things I do aside from channel and aside from my working place, and I still have a whole lot of things I'm doing in the night. So I dedicated this time for you guys. Okay, so the only way you guys can support me and can encourage me more is to give me a thumbs up. All right, so let me just say thank you, Brainybite, on the comment section. All right, share this video as many times as possible to all several jamb admission groups. All right, so I'll be very happy. I'll be much eager to do more, because I have a whole lot of more to do. Okay, so let's get right to the next video of today. So the question is the creation of cashless classless society in the ultimate is the ultimate aim of dash. The creation of classless society is the ultimate aim of dash. Option A is capitalism, B is fascism, C is communism, D is socialism. So the correct option there is option C, which is communism. That's the correct option there. So next one is number 2. We have a parliamentary system whose ensures that the members are in the house to vote on major issues is dash. Okay, A, party leaders, B, wipe or whip, anyone you call it, C, the clerk of the house, D, the speaker of the house. So the correct option is option B, which is whip. Okay, so next one is third one is during the period of 1960 to 1966, Nigeria was governed under the dash. A, confederal system of government, B, unitary system of government, C, presidential system of government, D, Westminster system of government. Okay, so the correct option is option D, which is the Westminster system of government. That's the correct option. So you have it, you save it in your forehead, and get ready yourself for your exam. Okay, so this thing I'm telling you guys is, even if you have concom head, right? So as long as you follow this tutorial from beginning to the end, you definitely have to pass. Okay, so the next one there is a major issues that distinguishes pressure groups from political parties is dash. A major issues that distinguishes pressure group from political parties is dash. A. Ideology. B. Voting patterns. C. Membership. D. Objective. Of course, is objective. Alright? Is objective. That's Westminster something something. That's not the correct option. The correct option is objective, which is the D. Alright? So the next one is okay. The next one is in the process of implementing laws, the executive sometimes perform dash. In the process of implementing laws, the executive sometimes performs dash. A. Oversight functions. B. Legislative functions. C. Bureaucratic functions. D. Judicial functions. Okay, so the correct option there is option B, which is legislative functions. All right, so let's go to the next one, which is in the Igbo political system, the most senior member of the council of elders is the dash. A. Okpara. B. Eze. C. Obi. D. Ofo. The correct option there is A, which is Okpara. That's the correct option. The next one is the amalgamation of the northern and southern protectorate and the colony of Lagos was in dash. A. 1960. B. 1957. C. 1966. D. 1914. So the correct option there is option D, which is 1914. The next question there says the legislature performs the following functions except A. Determines the general direction of the public policy. B. Enforcing the law. D. Exercises power of appointment of government officials. D. Investigating and monitoring the activities of the officials of government. Okay, the correct option is enforcing the laws. 10th one is the EFCC was established to dash to arrest, detain, and prosecute corrupt state governors and legislators. B. To arrest and try corrupt politicians. C. Assist the World Bank in monitoring economic projects in Nigeria. D. Combat economic and financial crimes in Nigeria. So the correct option is D, which is combat economic and financial crimes in Nigeria. D. Next 11 says a condition for judicial independence is the appointment of judges by the dash. A condition for the judicial independence is the appointment of judges by the dash. A. 1979 Constitution. B. Judicial Service Commission. C. Civil Service Commission. D. Law Review Commission. So the correct option is B. B is the correct option, which is the Judicial Service Commission. Okay, so the last one there is Nigeria became a republic in dash. A. 1914. B. 1961, C 1960, D 1963. The correct option is D, which is 1963. That's the correct option. So this is where I'll be ending this class today. Okay, thank you guys for staying from beginning to the very last side of this tutorial. Okay, thank you all. Keep winning.